How to fix Instagram, the link you followed may be broken problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on search button on top right corner of your screen. Then simply search apps. Then go to apps and notification. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Search for Instagram. Simply click on Instagram and then force stop the app. After that, go to storage and cache, which is below permission and of mobile data and Wi-Fi. Clear cache and clear storage. Only clear storage if you want to log into your account again. Restart your device and open the app, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram, the link you followed may be broken problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.